it's real. Yun, na dito na tayo, and we're finally sharing a piece of our film. Because a lot of people have been wondering when we'll be giving out snippets, kasi wala pa talaga, diba? So, we're just very happy that finally we got to include this already. And tama ka, Kuya Robs, galing kami shoot. Parang kami nasa portal minsan. Papasok kami, magiging Cisco, Jessica, tapos lalabas. Ngayon kailangan namin nag-promote and then babalik sa portal. So, you know, it's a lot of mixed emotions seeing this. And I'm just glad that we get to spend it with this whole cast and everyone here sa Bless, who's been very supportive throughout me and Belle's journey, you know, all these years.
How about you, Belle? You're getting emotional.
Hindi.
Are you okay?
Wala pa. Hindi ba
Okay,
tayo?
wala pa.
Mamaya.
Wala pa.
Siguro watching it, parang sabi ko, oh my God, ang hirap kumalas. Even after siguro matapos namin i-film tong movie, ang hirap kumalas, you know? But seeing it now, I'm just very excited talaga na mapanood lahat-lahat and makita nila yung story ni Cisco and ni Jessica.